Hello friends, welcome to Pro Trading Zone. So today was a little bit of a different day because we took two trades today. Not one, two trades. It was basically done because the first trade of the day was finished within not more than 10 minutes. We came in the market, we put in our strategy and the trade was done in less than 10 minutes and we made more than 1,18,000 into it. But the day was there, a long day was ahead of us, and we saw a good setup when we took the second trade. So we are going to go through all the analysis that came in our way while taking the trade and how we took a trade, what was my market view, what were the important pivot points, what happened in the market. So without wasting time, just look into the market view that we had in the beginning of the day. Once the market started, the first candle was a red one with a big drop in the market from the yesterday's closing, and the second candle was a green candle, and the third candle was also a green candle. This gave me an assumption that market could be going directionally, but it was not something that made me convinced that market is directional. Whenever this kind of setup comes, there are two possibilities: either market will be going on the sideways or market would be going on the upside. So this is the basic assumptions that we have. So when these things happened, we just took our trade over here approximately. This was our first trade and we exited it over here when the second red candle formed. Even though you could see a green candle right now, but while it was forming, it was a red candle at first, then it happened to be a green candle. I exited my first trade over here. You can see the short right now which shows the book profit. So we have taken our short straddle and strangle position over. We exited our trade over here and exited our second trade over here. As soon as we saw a red candle, we exited our trade. As it was directional day, we exited our trade immediately. In short straddle, we are making a profit of 1,18,500 rupees, that is 0.86%. Loss of 18,000, that is 0.15%. For that, you should watch my pivot point videos that I put in the short. You can just search for the videos in my short. I put it in the sequence in my shorts that I post in the live trading session, and this shorts will give an understanding how exactly I take a trade, what are the market direction, everything, and I post it in the live market. So I took a trade over here and exited my trade over here. The reason for exit was that there was no theta decay between these 2 points. I literally saw no decay in the premium as there was increase in the India VIX, that is the volatility index was increasing. It increased by 15 points or approximately 3 points. It didn't let the markets theta decay that we crave so much to make good money to happen. This was a totally theta based trading or gains that I was looking for, but the first trade was for the delta movement that we had. We had a non-directional view, but we exited with the gains from the delta movement. It was a sideways view, but there was no theta decay up till here. So we exited the market by believing that market won't be giving you any theta decay further. But this was not right. If I would have held my position up till here, we would have made approximately 2.5 lakh rupees with starting from here till here. But it's okay, we still ended our day with a good profit of 75,000 rupees, and you could see the short over here. It is approximately 210 right now, and we do not see any change in the market's premium as the VIX is high. There is no theta decay today, not much of a theta decay. That's why we are exiting our trade right now with a small loss. In short straddle, we are making a loss of 9,250, that is 0.06%. In short strangle, we are making a loss of 16,250, that is 0.11%. Because there was increase in the India VIX, the price of the premium that we sold increased and there was no theta decay. That's why we are exiting our trade with a small loss, but in totality today we made a good profit. So let's look at some of the chart patterns that happened in the market and which made sense to us as a zone trader. The first trade, I already told you, the first candle was red, second was green, third was green, so it was a long day. So you could have entered over here and exited here when it didn't cross the green again, and red candle was formed over here, and it straightforward came down over here. So this was the first trade of the day. Later you could have considered this to be a retest of the level, and you could have taken a trade over here because this level was broken and market went up. When the red candle was formed over here, you could have exited. So this would have been a good setup for making good money. But these aren't high probability trades. The only high probability trade that happened today, this one. When market breached out, it came again with a big green candle. You would have entered over here and went up to earn up till 300 points in the day. And the second high probability trade was here. One was red candle, the second was a green candle, and market started going up, and it touched the upper pivot point of ours and it reversed. You would have exited somewhere here and made good money, approximately 250 points. Even though the movement was 300 points, I assume that you would have easily captured 250 points over here. So that's it for the day. This is a short video that I am trying to introduce in the channel. If you like this format, please let me know in the comments. Please let me know how you like to improve my videos. If you like my channel, my analysis, you like the shorts in the live trading session, please come in the live trading session. I put in shorts every day. You can have a view about the market, the channels that I am considering, what are the pivot points, what trades I am taking in the real time, and you can mimic it. But I would strictly suggest that you will do your own research before entering the trade. Thank you.